guys, welcome to another video where today I will be going over my sister's slimes and squishies, but I might not have time for any squishies, so let's get on to the video. First slime is my slime, and it's just regular blue teal slime. Wait. Okay, so guys, yeah, there's that slime. I didn't really want to take that one and stretch it because it's like really bad, so let's go on to about that, guys. But the next slime is this apple slime. Has some sequins in it. I don't know if you can see, but like it has a couple sequins. And get ready for the crunch. It's so crunchy. Oh, by the way, this slime, the blue one that I just showed you, it is super crunchy too. But yeah, I will be saying all the names to these slimes too. So let's get on to the next slime. So the next slime is this orange soda slime, and it is butter slime. And I'm gonna do don't bark. Don't bark, puppies. Alright, so it's so butter. Not even joking. Like, if I could move my camera right now and show you guys, like, I'll be so. I'm sorry, guys. I would be so happy. But, like, yeah. And yeah, so let's move on to the next slime. The next slime is this butter slime. It's this purple, nice clay butter slime. Super sketchy. And I don't know how much this butters, but I know the names of these slimes, but like decent buttering. But like the orange soda slime, like I don't know how my sister made that, but like that's so good. There we go. I just went like and actually ripped it, and I was like, oh my god. So yeah, let's move on to the next slime. Slime is this really sticky slime. I don't know. This, let me see. Gonna get this out of the container. It's super sticky. I don't know why. Maybe my sister should put more activator in her slimes. This is super cool. So this is her jelly cube slime. So yeah. Super nice, guys. So let's move on to the next slime. The last slime I will be showing is this clear mermaid slime. It has some beads in it. The stars are supposed to be starfish. Just look at those. Pretty nice. Nice slime, but yeah, so now let's move on to the squishies. Learners, the first squishy I have, I'm trying. Okay, so the first squishy I have is these are my sisters, by the way. Pineapple squishy. It is super squishy. Sorry if you cannot see me with the camera, but look, I do that. I do this. And super squishy, as you can see, guys. So yeah, I'm moving on to the next squishy. So the next squishy is just this really weird bread squishy she got off a Wish. And like, ew. Feels like rubber. She is, what is this again? Billy the Whale. He's a little bit defected back there, but she fixes her squishies if they get affected. And yeah. So moving on to the next squishy is this mini cake, strawberry vanilla cake, and it's the mini one, not the jumbo version. But yeah, moving on to the next one. The next one is this ice cream that she got off of Bang Good, and decent squishiness, but yeah. Next squishy is this Jumbo Mermaid squishy. It's the blue one. You can get blue, pink, purple, or green. I'm pretty sure because like I have a pink one of these. And the next squishy is this this donut. It's this little, it's not Punimaru, it's yeah, Punimaru donut. Super cute. Next squishy is just little polar bear. Decent squishiness. And then next I have this little bird, little duck, and not too squishy. But the next squishy is this panda bun. And yes, so it has a little hanger. You can hang it. And the next squishy is this waffle. And yeah, pretty squishy. And then the next one is this popsicle that she got from Five Below. And yeah, guys, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below. And if you're new here, guys, I'm Elena, and yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.